Python dictionary method is a collection of Python functions that operates on dictionary. Python dictionary is like a map that is used to store data in form of keys, value pairs. My name is Abdulkadir Salami. Let's see how it's done. Welcome to your data analyst video. Today we'll be talking about Python dictionary methods. Python dictionary methods. Yes, we are going to be highlighting some of the methods in Python's dictionary. We have clear, copy, get, item, key, pop item, values, and update, and many more. So today we are going to emphasize on some of these methods, how to use them and how it works. Okay, first let's start with clear. Clear is a method used to remove all items from the dictionary. Okay, so first let's create a dictionary. Okay, let's create a variable for the dictionary. Okay, and is equals to name. We give it a column, space. Okay, we give it undo. We give it a column and age. Give it a column 25. So right now we have our dictionary, so let's print it out. So we use print my dictionary. Okay, so now let's print it out. Shift F10 for window. Okay, as you can see right now, we have it printed. So we have name, Abdul, and the values under it are age and 25. So this is my dictionary. So right now, let's clear it off. So to do that, we go back to the top. And then we use my underscore dictionary dot clear. Clear is a method. So we double click on it, and then let's run it and see. Shift F10. That's it. So basically, we use clear method to remove all items from the dictionary. So this is how it works. Now let's move to the next one. We have copy. Copy method return a shallow copy of the dictionary. And remember, changes to the copy of the dictionary do not affect the original dictionary. Okay, let's get to it. We already have our dictionary created. Okay, and the variable name is mydic. So right now, what we need to do is to create a new dictionary. Okay, that to be the copy. So right now, I can just create a variable called new underscore dictionary is equals to my dictionary dot our method, which is copy. So that's it. So now we have a new variable, made a copy of my dictionary into the new dictionary called new dic. So now let's modify the age in the new variable of the dictionary that we created. So to do that, let's go down and let's create new dictionary. Okay, and then we use that age. Okay, so what it means is we are updating. So what it means is that we are updating the age of the new dictionary. We are creating a new one, a new age, which is 30. That's it. And then, like I said earlier on, that changes made to the copy of the dictionary do not affect the original dictionary. So right now, let's print it out and see. So Shift F10. So that's it. That's it. That's it. So you have my dictionary. So you have the name, the Abdul, and then the values under it, age and 25. So now let's print the new dictionary. So the original dictionary is what we just print out. So let's print the new one. So let's backspace this and give it new dictionary. So Shift F10. So that's it. That's it. So remember I said remember I said changes made to the copy of the dictionary do not affect the new dictionary. So for the old dictionary, we have 25 as the age. Now for the new dictionary, we have 30 as the age. So that's how it works. So the essence of this is just to make a copy, a shallow copy of the dictionary, and note, changes made to the copy of the dictionary do not affect the original dictionary, as you can see from the terminal. So let's move to the next one. Right now we have item. So item is a method that returns a list of key value pairs in the dictionary. Okay, so right now we already have our dictionary created. So now let's create a variable here. We call it items. Okay, items. Okay, which is equals to my underscore dictionary dot items. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now a variable name item. We have a variable name item, and then we have our content, which is my dictionary that comprises of name, Abdul, and age inside the items. So now when we print item, let's see what the output will be. So now let's print item. Items. And remember, like I said, what item does is a method that returns a list of key values pairs in the dictionary. So now let's print item. So Shift F10. Perfect. So what we have here, we have the names, which is Abdul, and the age, which is 25. So this is what item does. So this is what item does. So it returns the list of the key values pairs in the dictionary. So it pairs them. So that's it. So now let's move to the next one. We have keys. The keys method returns a list of key in the dictionary. That's what it does. It returns a list of keys in the dictionary. Okay, so let's proceed with what we have. We already have the dictionary. So now let's create a variable here. Let's save it into that's keys. So we're saving this item into keys. At the same time, we are removing this method, so we have to make it keys. Okay, we're inserting keys method into it, and then let's print out keys. So now Shift F10, let's see. Perfect. So like I said, what it does is to return a list of keys in the dictionary, which are the name and the age. Name and the age. That's it. So let's move to the next one. What we have here is value method. So the values method returns a list of value in the dictionary. Remember, key method return what? It returns the keys in the dictionary, and we have name and age. So for value method, that will return the values in the dictionary. And if I'm right, we all know that the values in the dictionary right here, they are Abdul and age, which is 25. So now let's get to it. So now we already have my dictionary created. So let's save it into a variable called values. And then let's insert our method into it, which is values, already on it. And then let's print it out. So let's shift that thing. Yes, so that's it. So the values in our dictionaries, they are Abdul and 25. So that's how these work. So these are two different methods. The values return the values, while the key return the keys in the dictionary. So now let's move to pop. Let's move to pop. So now the pop method remove and return the value of the specified keys. If the key does not exist, it raises a key error to avoid this. So you can pass a default value to be returned if the key is not found. So now let's get to it. Right now we have our dictionary. So let's save it into a variable called age. Let's save it into a variable called age. So this is age. And then let's insert our pop method, which is pop. And then let's bring in our age, bring into it. So right now, let's print age. And then let's print my dictionary. So doing this, our output should be the age should be 25, and the dictionary, which is my dictionary, which is a variable, should be Abdul. Remember, I said it's a method that remove and return the value of the specified key. So right now, let's execute it, Shift F10. So that's it. So the age is there, Abdul, and then my dictionary, the printout output is name Abdul. So if the key does not exist, it raises a key error. But to avoid this, like I said, you can pass a default value to be returned if the key is not found. So now let's move to the next one, updates. Update. Now, update method updates the dictionary with the specified key value pairs. So right now, we already have my dictionary. So now what we need to do now is to bring out the variable, my dictionary, and then let's insert update method to it. So, and then let's bring out the values. We have age, we give it a colon, and then we have, let me give it 30 here, 30. So I'm updating the values in my dictionary, so I have to use the method. So I'm updating the age to 30. So now let's print. So let's print my dictionary. So Shift F10. So that's it. That's it. So it updates the dictionary with the specified key value pairs. So that's it. It's updated. So as you can see, from 25 now is 30. So that's how the update method works. Okay, thank you. That's it. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share
for more videos. Thank you.